Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Assembly aba. Na minim say this particular podcast ya me yi. Obi a obeka se wono no wodo NDC pan beka se wo Melodies je wo yi enye ne kwe. But if you follow me or you followed me for some time now, onim say Assembly and I'm very analytical about it. And no hunti, most of the in someone make a was so say, and no, and I feel say AC no. Ubekom no, no AC. This one is one of those matters. Now, some in the tintin in the TTM and they say, Honorable Okujato Ablakwa, by resigning from Parliament Appointment Committee. Okujato Ablakwa by resigning from Parliament Appointment Committee. What then crata about bonting? Now, Anthony we have a new YouTube channel. Link no our description box nimo. Click and subscribe to MIA. Now, young consem nimo. Now, Anthony Okujato Ablakwa letter nesono. I have a lot of points on this particular thing and what might be happening in NDC. It is not coming out. I think that the NDC has really done well to keep this thing from blowing, but me to me actually say there are serious contentions happening in NDC, especially MPs no, any executives ni nyama bebre no. Me to me actually say insem bebre na koso ewo NDC mu. Na yebe analyzing in na ye read Okujato Ablakwa ne letter ne da mo ni ba ansa na yebe call letter ne so no. Yenko insem bi so. Now, let's start from Embra Sami Jenfi wo ba bonten Ebeka ensem efa NDC mpanyinfo ene albambagben no ye nia ye kai. Now, embrace ade ne ba bonte no me ade a me kan ne say it's as if say there is something Sami Jenfi knows that we don't. And no hunting ebe man akukudro ama na ba bonte aba be kan ensem bi say utumi hu ne say e bro ne so inter na wa ba bonte. But I also said say as far as Sami Jenfi ba bonte be try and say e say ni esi no, someone like me I'll not believe him. But analysis habe hu ne say no BBSC wo mon kan e interna Sami Jenfi nya akukudro aba be kasa nsem no. I said that samokaya. Na onim, let's come to this letter. Now, before this letter krano, me ma oti ase say NDC MP trese wono dede bia wo bo Kenofoyata echi wono kra ne kwa kan say eye Achim Sakawa trese Mahama kwa kan bia beda ne asem ye friend no Honorable Adongo na embra say last 2 days or 3 days ye approve Kenofoyata no endra wo ba bonti be ka say wono de sansem no wo ye NDC MP nanso sa approve an nsem ne de won fo aso nti wan ko parliament kra because hu ne say be ye nsem wo say ye kan obi a wo ye the worst public enemy a ye Kenofoyata na mo NDC MPs mo ahwe nim approve no unanimously na mo be ma reason a mo say wa say economy ni nti no ye njanto ne so no nsen ni na nwie. Hey, now I think sir it is based on this internet Okujato Ablakwa wono so wa resign no because he is part of the appointment committee. Me hu ne say okay o de answer na mekasa no yanko ne yanko read Okujato Ablakwa ne letter no na ye read letter ni wi a na me speaking on issues AC ensem bi so a General Secretary Asiedun Ketendra wobeka ye atrese eno so indirectly linked to this particular matter. Midini na betu mu enim na mu ehu yenko read Okujato Ablakwa letter no. O say we member of parliament for North Tongue constituency into official letterhead Honorable Samuel Okujato Ablakwa. O say right Honorable Alban Bagbin to address Alban Bagbin, Speaker of Parliament. O say resignation from the appointment committee. O say I humbly present comradely felicitations. This is to formally convey my decision to discontinue my membership of the appointment committee after days of careful reflection and thoughtful considerations. I shall like to state that the reasons for this difficult decision are both personal and on principle. Respectfully, do take note that my resignation is with immediate effect and therefore I shall not be available for the vetting of nominees for deputy ministerial positions. May I extend to you, leadership of the House, the Committee of Selection and leadership of the great NDC, my sincere gratitude for the opportunity to serve as a member of the Appointment Committee in the 6th, 7th, and 8th Parliament of the Republic of Ghana. Kindly accept, Right Honorable, the assurances of my highest esteem. Now, if you go into the letter, personally, one share that ANC to say Wellington and media or say personal reasons and on principles. Or something can say after long reflection and consideration, just say what shall say what dream idea we home a check a crack into yenya and drop it and I would decide yes or yes idea way. Now, someone can argue, says so could a tabla qua ababe can say personal and on principle. What principle is he talking about? Currently, again na air koso Emma Nkrofo air board said the appointment committee, especially the NDC side. It is the fact that seemingly they've approved people and Nkrofo say they are not fit to be ministers. It was based on principle. So you can argue, say, well, who said the air koso our appointment committee ni muno ne ninji ho. So will be an air show more appointment committee ne so say Nkrofo we mon pass your mo a utumi say was it based on principle. Principle nti one ye nti will resign. Listen to what is happening. Oh. Listen to what is happening. Now this is Okujato Ablakwa. Letter now the ababonting. Mama Watiasie, he is not the only one. Achese obehu ne say in a way no ne ninje. NDC grassroots in the bebre na wo mubuefu. Ye kan sami jemfin sema wa kan ya. Na nsen kra Endra Metro TV. Good evening Ghana. Sam George Ebaso. Osi ono obeka ne kre. Sa MPC ni nyama ono wan vote amomo. Sa MPP we no wan vote amomo and he didn't like it. Ba obe ne den untumi mba bonten meka. So it tells you say even among NDC MPs they don't like it say one more reps now one more appointment committee ne so no one more approve Nkrofo bi to say Kenofo Yata. Now listen to something too that will confirm the maker say as the eja brewery in NDC, especially the MPs emu now so they've been very able to maintain it. Emba Bonten Endra City TV Omaru Sanda a interview with General Secretary Asiedun Ketia. Will be sounding same bebre. Asiedun Ketia made a revelation. As our revelation no make you Endra and then City FM omo boss our revelation ne sa me hwe omo anopa news a womo ye womo kan wom ewia 11 o'clock news a womo ye womo kan wom 12 o'clock news nso a womo ye womo kan sa asem ne wom. It tells you how serious asem no. Asiedun Ketia say NDC mpanyifo na womo wa parliament no ye ba besisem. Are you listening to what Asiedun Ketia said? Was it NDC mpanyifo ye kan NDC a majority leader chief whip what not now womo wa parliament no Asiedun Ketia say womo ba besisem executives no ba besisem. Inti if we have a majority leader now it could be say Embra ewo yenim few months to come no NDC will change their majority leader omo dey be foforo beba. It could be say chief whip Ombesesano. It could be say deputy minority leader and American majority leader minority. It could be say deputy minority leader Ombesesano. Asiedun Ketia asemo a waka no. Was say NDC for ba besesa wo mu leadership e wo parliament. Wo mu leaders na wo parliament no omo ba besesem. And obi bisa say the entire no mobile system. I say, oh, we share the grassroots and in some ACCR. Clearly, you see that people are not happy with them. People are clearly not happy with them. And it goes back to as someone as Sami Jemfi Bekan. It's a bit more can say, I say, NDC mpanyinfo bi a wo mo parliament no, e bi more air cancer allegations so ma kwa akojije ademudie. And I want more approve MPs. No, allegations and Nkrofo. But all these factors are a dahwa media bro no. Bijidi say wa would see we are be say asemwa melody seeking and there is something happening, especially between the leadership of NDC in parliament and the executives, and even some of the MPs, they are not happy with their leaders. But I'm going to me about Bonson Meka. I'm trying to comment box.